Story number 61. The Bird and the Monkey. A tailored bird is known for its very well woven and artistic nest. It protects from wind and rain. On one rainy day, the bird was sitting in its nest and it was raining heavily and it was thundering with frequent flashes of lightning. At that time, a monkey troubled by the cold, wind and rain took shelter under the tree. The bird asked, "You are so clever. Why didn't you build a nest to live in on rainy day?" The monkey got angry and asked the bird to keep quiet. He kept on shivering. The bird could not resist teasing him. She said, "Why did you waste the summer time in laziness?" On hearing this, the monkey was enraged and said bad words to the bird. The rain and thunder increased and the bird once again opened its mouth. The monkey was so mad now that he said, "Keep quiet, you bird. If you continue murmuring, I will make you homeless. Do not pretend to be a pandit." The bird kept quiet. The monkey started to shiver again due to the bitter frost, and the bird once again opened its mouth of wisdom. At last, the monkey could not control his anger. He said, "Although I have no ability to make a house, I do possess the ability to break one." Saying so, he climbed up the tree and destroyed the bird's nest, making the poor bird also homeless. Now, both of them suffered from cold wind and rain. Moral of this story is, such occasions are very common. We should not point out the fault of others. We should remain indifferent to them. Everyone is responsible for what he or she does. We should try to learn from other people's good and bad experience. We should improve ourselves and get rid of our faults first. If you really like the story, then do not forget to hit the like button. What you have learned from this story, comment below and share this story as much as possible. Your support motivates us to make more and more videos for you.